Hello, and thank you so much for considering joining my membership program. Let me tell you a little bit more about that. It is a YouTube feature where you can, for just a small monthly fee, join and become a member of my channel, making me that much closer to achieving my goal and make a living out of what I really love doing. And in return, I offer some great perks: members only community posts, early access to some videos, even more painting tutorials in real time and with detailed explanations of every step of the painting process. So you can paint and learn even more with me. And also you will get access to members only badges and emojis that you can use in live chats. All the details you can find down in the description of those terms and perks, so you might want to check them out and maybe consider joining. Nevertheless, nothing else will change on my channel. All the videos that are already up there will remain free, and I will upload new tutorials just as usual, and I just want you to know that. And guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your time and for all your support. Bye.